2025 Honda Pilot. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.